The Take Shot straw with medicine. I'm feeling a little under the weather, so I'm gonna use this Take Shot straw to mask the taste of this nasty DayQuil. But let me go grab it. Let me grab this DayQuil. I ain't trying to be drowsy. Let me grab this ginger ale. I have some ginger ale in here somewhere. This ginger ale. Got my DayQuil, got my chaser, got my Take Shot straw. Fill your straw up with DayQuil. The perfect amount. Take shots. Did y'all do this on purpose? Nah, I just stick this in and take my medicine. Oh, I almost forgot. Take that rub off before you stick it in. Trying to swallow a mouthful of ginger ale is hard, but I barely taste the DayQuil.